This is my Vegas funhouse. This is how we get downstairs. People ask me, Justin, because that's my name, what's your favorite room in the house? It's the one behind the soda machine. It's a disco room. And there's a secret door in here too. Come on. Where'd you go? Okay, yeah, this door right here, doorknob, is not for the door. The doorknob is for the wall, and the wall becomes a door. Go in. It's gonna be a little dark. There's a red button. There's no normal doors in this house. This is the doorknob door, which opens to the foam pit. It's fun. There's a hidden door down here. Follow me. Okay. All right, no, this way, this way, this way. Come on. Okay, quickly, quickly. This door. And actually, no, back up, back up. Come on. This picture frame wall is actually a secret door. You have to get to it through another secret door. We'll get there. Don't miss the ceiling. There's a lot of stuff hidden behind the pictures, like this. It's a safe. You know what you keep in here? Like I said, even the normal doors open to not normal doors. This is a door inside of a door, inside of another door. I pull the finger. Do a couple twirls, and it opens to the glow room. And yeah, that's the Friends door. This is a Seinfeld door, 90s sitcom corner. But if I had a penny for every time somebody said, "Hey, Justin Flom, you don't really live in that Vegas funhouse, do you?" Well, I do, and also, this is how many pennies I would have. This is Penny Lane. 50,000 pennies that I actually did lay by hand, gluing every single one. I will not be doing that video again, so please, don't ask. Look up. That's right, there's a loft above the stairs. It's made totally out of rope. You see, I used to be a magician, and I kind of take that creativity into trying to do cool things for the house, for my family. Yeah, get on up here. I think this is a part of a new trend of using your house to have fun. What do you think? This is my Vegas funhouse. This is how we get downstairs.